Eufy Smart Lock, don't regard not watching before buying. Are you always losing your keys or locks? Do you feel like you are at the mercy of thieves and security risks? If so, it's time to upgrade your security measures. One of the simplest and most cost-effective ways to do this is by purchasing a smart lock. A smart lock is a locking device that uses a smartphone app or key fob to unlock and access the door. Not only do smart locks make security much easier, but they also come with a host of other benefits, such as improved usability and convenience. Welcome back to Tech Studios. In this video, we will take a look at smart locks, their security, and an incredible smart lock by the Eufy company that is known for its features. Are you ready? Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel to never miss out on more videos like this. Here we begin. What is a smart lock? Unfortunately, when it comes to security, there is no one-size-fits-all answer. That is why smart locks, a security system that use a keypad and an app to secure your doors, are becoming increasingly popular. They offer convenience and peace of mind and come in various shapes and sizes. Before you make your purchase, make sure you understand the different types of smart locks and features. Also, be sure to read product reviews to see if they're compatible with your door locks. Last but not least, be aware of the different smart lock types to know which one will best suit your needs. One such smart lock is the Eufy Smart Lock. Protecting your home and possessions is important, and a smart lock is a great way to do just that. The Eufy Smart Lock is a great option. It's affordable and has various features. For example, it includes a touchscreen, two-factor authentication, and more. What are some features of the Eufy Smart Lock? The Eufy Smart Lock is highly reliable and durable in terms of safety. It can be installed on any door, so you don't have to worry about its placement. Additionally, the lock works with Amazon's Alexa voice assistant and Google Home devices. So if you're looking for a secure way to protect your home, the Eufy Smart Lock is a good option. Keeping your safety in mind, it has fingerprint identification and recognizes your fingerprint in just 0.3 seconds, unlocking the door in a second, so it is way faster than fumbling for your keys. Another feature it provides is different ways to unlock the door. There are 4 distinct methods. The first is a fingerprint sensor. The next is the Eufy security app, the electronic keypad, and the backup key. It also has a Wi-Fi bridge for remote control. It has an automatic lock system, an inbuilt sensor that detects when your door is closed and locks to keep your home secure when you are in a hurry. Surprisingly, the designers didn't stay behind in giving the lock all weather protection like they have an IP65 weatherproof rating and are protected in all weather. It can withstand temperatures of negative 30 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius as well as rainfall. That's impressive. Finally, it protects your privacy at the utmost. It stores your app data and biometrics locally instead of uploading them to a cloud. Hence, your personal information stays safe and private. Is the Eufy Smart Lock secure? Yes. Understanding its features, we can say that this smart lock is secure. When it comes to smart lock, it's important to be smart about them. Look for the book you get with the lock to know how to set it up, and after setting up, make sure you keep your code safe. Never share it with anyone. Finally, always remember to reset your lock if you lose access to it. Otherwise, someone breaking into your home in a single window. Why should you go to Eufy Smart Locks? Firstly, recognizing fingerprints with accuracy. When your finger is appropriately positioned on the scanner, Smart Lock recognizes your registered fingerprint 98% of the time. Keep your print safe. In order to protect your privacy and keep your personal information secure, Smart Lock keeps your fingerprint data locally rather than in the cloud. Built to last. Built to last Smart Lock is more than capable of coping with arrivals and departures of a busy family, and has been proven to work after 250,000 rounds of testing. It is ideal and robust and powerful. With stainless steel plating, Smart Lock can support 1,122 kilograms of weight, which is enough to survive daily use wear and tear. Ideal for all seasons and ensures the security of your home during bitterly cold winters, torrential rain, and scorching summers. In an emergency, unlock. When your Smart Lock runs out of power, you can unlock it by using a portable charger. The AA batteries need to be replaced after 12 months of use. Security fit for a bank. Your fingerprint and in-app data are confidential by a bank-grade AES-128 encryption chip, only for lever-handled doors. A lever-handled door with a deadbolt is necessary for the proper installation and use of Smart Lock. What does the brand say? This is from Eufy, a home security company that prioritizes privacy. It has complete security options for your home and is designed by the same team that produced Anchor, which is famous for its great quality and creativity. The sturdy deadbolt and zinc alloy frame of the smart lock can withstand daily entry and exit of a busy home. What is included with the lock? Deadbolt, strike plate, strike reinforcers, screw pack, 4 AA batteries, usage instructions, and a welcome card. Exterior and interior installation. Also, it has grade 2 security certification from BHMA. After locking and unlocking 250,000 times, Smart Lock has been demonstrated to function. Additionally, the American National Standards Institute has certified this. So, why does one need a Eufy Smart Lock or a Smart Lock? Do you have many valuable belongings you don't want to risk being stolen? If so, a Smart Lock is a great investment. Eufy Smart Locks are simple to use and can help protect your belongings from burglary. A Smart Lock's features include the ability to unlock with a fingerprint or PIN code. The best time to buy a Smart Lock is when the product is on sale. Are there any potential downsides to buying a Smart Lock? When buying a Smart Lock, it's important to be aware of the potential downsides. However, by following a few simple tips, most of them can be avoided. First, ensure the lock is compatible with your door. Some locks only work with certain brands of doors. Second, research which model has the needed features and doesn't have too many bells and whistles. Third, test the lock before purchasing to ensure it's compatible with your phone and PIN code. And lastly, always keep a backup key in case of emergencies. A question arises in the mind: is it worth buying a smart lock? Smart locks are becoming increasingly popular as they offer several benefits for homeowners. Among these benefits are improved security and managing multiple locks from one app. However, not all smart locks are created equal. Make sure you overview multiple reviews before purchasing, and consider the features you need and lifestyle that you lead. For example, if you often leave the house or lock the door while you're away, an unlocked smart lock that requires a smartphone app may not be the best option for you. When buying a smart lock, consider the security of your home and ease of use. Don't settle for something smart just because it's a smart lock. So, in the end, smart locks are a great way to secure your belongings and keep them safe. They offer several benefits, such as accessing your belongings from a distance, opening them with a simple password, and being secure against break-ins. If you're looking for a smart lock that's compatible with your needs, the Eufy Smart Lock is a great option. It's also easy to use, has various features, and is secure. That's it for today's video. What do you think of the Eufy Smart Lock? Let us know if you would ever use this lock in your home in the comments down below. Make sure to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.